Welcome back, guys. In this video, we will see that how you can enable the right click on MacBook Air. Many people who have recently purchased the MacBook, they're not sure that how to enable the right click. And most of the people who are using the Windows, they are very habitual of using the right click. Okay, now I'm on my desktop and I have a folder here by name. And if I make a right click, nothing is happening, right? So I don't get any options here. Now, in order to enjoy the right click, there are two different methods. Number one, what you can do from your keyboard, you can press and hold the control key. And then if you make a right click on that folder, the right click options menu will be coming up. This is a temporary way. And if you want to proceed with it, this is very quick. Simply press and hold the control key, then right click on any specific folder, and the right click menu option will be coming up. Now, if you want to make it permanently, then what you will have to do, click on the Apple logo at the left and top, then click on System Settings. In the System Setting from the left hand menu option, scroll down and look for Trackpad. Click on it. Now here you will find an option, Secondary Click. On the right of it, click on the drop down and choose Click in bottom right corner. Now you can close it. And now if you make a right click anywhere, the options will be now coming up, right? So these are the two quick methods to quickly enable the right click on your MacBook Air or Pro. And I'm very sure that this will be helping you to quickly enable the right click. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. For any question, let me know in the comment section. And I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.